I inherited this old Porter cable belt sander from my father's estate. I've used it for about 5 years now, and it finally wore out on me. The switch is bad, I think. I tried to buy a new switch. They're about 50 bucks. And I said, well, maybe it's time to retire it and get me a new one. So I just purchased this Metabo, I think that's how it's pronounced, belt sander. So we're going to unbox it and see what it looks like. Okay, it's green. It looks heavy duty. It has the adjustment for the tracking. It's also, let's put an old belt on it just to make sure. This is the one that came off of my other one. There we go. Got a dust bag. I won't be using that. I'll hook it to my system. It does come with one thing of paper. Of course, instructions. So we'll put this to the side. Let's undo the cord. Let's plug it in over here. Looks like it works just like the other one. So we'll get the tracking right on it. Alrighty. Let's see how it does. Alright, looks like it works quite well. I'll have to get my vacuum hooked up to it, but other than that, got me a new sander.